This is no. This is, you guys know what is this? Individual contribution by a single guy in the system. This clap for them. बच्चे नहीं है बॉस, बाप है ना? 91 लाख, 93 लाख, 62 लाख. जयशंकर कृतिका जैमिन क्या are you there? जयशंकर कृतिका जैमिन. Please have your book. Great work, guys. Great work. Are the figures right? Are the figures right?
Yeah.
Huh.
Just to inform everybody that with that kind of effort, Kritika has moved to retail team.
I am coming to it. I'm actually coming to it.
Okay.
What is this? 13 out of 16, 11 out of 16. Divide. Now this is great stuff, guys. This is great stuff. I swear this is great stuff.
Conversion?
Anything else? Guesses, guys?
Retention.
NBD client.
New business development.
Yes. हाँ क्या? क्या क्या? सारे नहीं लिखे होते. 13 out of 16 team have did 90% plus of their target, and 11 team out of 16 have did 100% of their target, and total achievement of franchisee last year was 103. 13 out of 16 teams have did 90% plus their target, which is as good as target. This team is being called as team of
Champions.
That is. Darshan.
What's the revenue growth compared to last year?
Compared to last year. This is what you guys have did, no?
11.24
8.24 करोड़ से लेकर 13.22 करोड़ एक साल में. कहाँ से छोटे हो यार? कहाँ से छोटे हो? हाँ? मतलब पेड़ को धक्का लगा दिया तुमने, देखो क्या कर रहे हो?
That means that the benchmark that has been set actually is also high. If you had done 103%, the benchmark by itself was high, but still we have been able to achieve.
And then to these guys will achieve because this is a team of champions. वैसे भी कर लेंगे. 13.22 करोड़ मैं बताऊं आपको, बस इसी साथ शायद किसी एक रेडियो स्टेशन का पूरा टर्नओवर होता है एक साल का. वो किसी एक रेडियो स्टेशन का कोई छोटा मोटा रेडियो स्टेशन होगा. छोटा मोटा भी ठीक ठाक है, छोटा मोटा भी ठीक ठाक है.
Bangalore it is 12.
Or forget about if I leave out the top most 5 stations, then the revenue must be
P2 stations का total मारोगे
कब होगा? इतना होगा. 13.22 करोड़ is which you guys have done.
Total market का ही कितना होगा?
13.22 करोड़ हम लोगों ने किया है.
नहीं मैं बता रहा हूँ कि P2 मार्केट का टोटल
Revenue
पूरा मार्केट का
पूरे इंडस्ट्री का.
Team of champions. Great. Your photo is here. What is it?
These guys franchise से फिर they are promoted to Radio City.
These guys are not. I am not trying to brag about this thing. I just want to give you a feeling, you know, कि Radio City as an organization never lose out its talent. अगर or else we are not taking you for a granted कि हाँ काम करेगा नहीं करेगा. We actually reward you for this. And these are examples. These are few of the examples. You know, we have much more examples, much more people. Kritika is here only. Shrey, Zalesh, Ashish Tiwari. Anil Reddy. Can you please clap for Anil Reddy? Yaar? Where is Anil? You guys know Anil joined this organization as a franchisee sales associate, and now is heading a franchisee team in Hyderabad.
Same is with Jayesh also.
Same with Jayesh? Great. So please guys don't feel isolated in this organization. मैंने बोला ना उठ के पाँव रखो और चलो अकड़ के चलो. This organization and the organization will give it to you for sure. I'm not advocating Radio City. I'm not here to advocate Radio City. Believe me, I'm not here to advocate Radio City. But yes, बोलते हैं ना कि अभी मैं कल भी किससे बात कर रहा था कि डिपेंड करता है कि आप कितना देते हो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को और फिर कितना लेते हो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से. आए चले गए, आपने ज्वाइन किया, 6 महीने काम करा, चले गए, परफॉर्मेंस नहीं आई, डर लगा, सेल्स मेरे मतलब की जॉब नहीं है, छोड़ दिया, इज अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मेरे हिसाब से तब तक मत छोड़ो जब तक आपको ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हाथ पकड़ के ना बोले कि मत जाओ यहाँ से. समझ रहे मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? तब तक मत छोड़ो बॉस, अदरवाइज क्या फायदा, चला गया ना तो क्या फर्क पड़ा यार, चला गया कोई और आ जाए उसकी जगह. आई नो दैट people some people are not irreplaceable, but still अपना इतना वट बोलते हैं ना ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में पैदा करो कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को जाने से फर्क पड़े आपके, कि हाँ जा रहा तो उनको फर्क पड़ रहा है, आए गए कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So don't leave the organization till the time. I can share a story. There's two Japanese story. बहुत सारे लोगों ने सुनी भी होगी. Japanese लोग जो होते हैं वो फिश बहुत पसंद करते हैं, सी फूड फिश प्राइमरली बहुत पसंद करते हैं. तो जो फिशरमैन थे वो फिश लेके आते थे, फिश डालते, फिश पकड़ते थे और लोगों को खिलाते थे. तो स्लोली क्या हुआ कि डिमांड बहुत थी, तो रिवर बैंक्स के ऊपर फिश खत्म हो गई. तो देखिए डिमांड तो थी, उन लोगों ने क्या करा, अंदर गए, फिश लेकर आए, लोगों को सर्व करा. लोगों ने बोला कि मज़ा नहीं आया यार, जो पहले टेस्ट था ना फिश का वो टेस्ट नहीं है फिश का. उन्होंने क्या करें यार, डिमांड तो बहुत है, हमारा तो रोजी रोटी यही है, अगर चलिएगा तो कैसे काम करेंगे. फिर उन्होंने और मेहनत करी और अंदर से फिश लेकर आए, लोगों को खिलाए, लोगों ने बोला नहीं मज़ा नहीं आया, अभी फिश खाने में मज़ा नहीं आया, पहले मज़ा था फिश खाने में. देन दे एंगेज्ड अ मार्केटिंग गुरु. उसने बोला कि आप फिश लेके आते हो ठीक है, लेकिन आप एक काम करो, आप सी के बाहर एक पॉन्ड बना दो बड़ा सा, उस पॉन्ड में सारी फिश जिंदा ला के डाल दो और फिर लोगों को खिलाओ, तो लोगों को मज़ा आएगा. उन्होंने पॉन्ड बनाया एक सी के बाहर, उस पॉन्ड में सारी फिश डाली, लोगों को खिलाई, लोगों ने खाई, बोले मज़ा अभी भी नहीं आया, वो फिश का टेस्ट नहीं तो पहले टेस्ट था. देन दे अगेन इन्वॉल्व अनदर मार्केटिंग गुरु. उसने बोला कि यार आप सब कुछ ठीक कर रहे हो, आपने पॉन्ड बनाया है फिश के बाहर, आपने यहाँ इसको फिशेस को डाल दिया है, अब क्या करो इस पॉन्ड के अंदर एक शार्क डाल दो. बोला शार्क तो आधी फिश खा जाएगा, कहते खाने दो ना बॉस, वैसे भी आपको तो बिकी नहीं रही है ना, डाल दो. उन्होंने शार्क डाला और शार्क डालने के बाद लोगों ने जब फिश खाया तो लोगों बोला हाँ अब मजा आया खाने का. तो कैन एनीबॉडी जस्ट गिव मी अ लाइट ऑन की कहानी का मोरल क्या है?
Always be a shark in organization, like
You are shark of the organization.
These fishes are running for life, so always active.
Right. Survival for fittest. You need to save yourself from the shark. That is why he was active, and because he was active, so the real taste of you comes afterward, right? Let's take this bond as an organization. Then who are you in this organization? In this bond, fish. Who are shark?
Bosses.
Bosses are also a part of it. You bosses are also a part of it. But shark majorly is non-performance. Shark majorly is non-performance, which is ready to eat you up. So you have to escape yourself from those sharks, and then grow up, and then be in that pond. And one day you will become a shark. In that sense, in the system, you will become comfortable that yes, now अगर मैं इस पॉन्ड को अगर शार्क पॉन्ड को छोड़ के जाएगा तो उसको फर्क पड़ेगा ना फिशरमैन को, कि बॉस ये तो मेरा पूरा का पूरा काम कर रहा है. तो escaping yourself from shark, शार्क का दो रिप्रेजेंटेशन है यहाँ पर, एक तो नॉन परफॉर्मेंस और एक शार्क मतलब स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सनालिटी इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो जब आप फिश शार्क से बच के फिश बन जाओगे और जब आप बोलोगे जाना तब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में फर्क पड़ेगा ना, इसको जाने नहीं देना है, ये मेरे लिए वर्क करता है. So guys, don't leave that pond until and unless you become a shark. Try to become a shark. Escape yourself from shark number 1, that is non-performance, and then become a shark. Yeah. So these guys are not with us, but yes, these guys are there with us. Do you feel pride in it? Do you feel pride in?
yes, I do. Actually, frankly speaking, the journey, I will just share a journey with my with Radio City. This was my first job, and when I started, I had no idea that I'm into sales or so. I was like, okay, my friends were like, are you sure you're going to do sales, because it's 80% out, field work and all that. So do you think you can? I'm like, let me try, let me see to it. And there were many people around me also, I mean, not in the organization, my friends, neighbors, all that. Sales is a very difficult job, it has no respect and all that, and I don't think so you will do that. I'm like, let me just see. The journey in Radio City, since it was my first job, it is so amazing, and I've learned so many things. I mean, I have done my mass media, but everything was theoretical. The practical which I have learned here was just amazing, and I've always learned, as I said, the job here, as you were saying, you are a doctor, engineer. It
Yeah.
is not limited. These jobs are limited to a desk, and
Correct.
we have unlimited options wherein we can, burst out there. So the success story, I mean, there's no success story as such, but I've learned a lot, and I would be doing the same to grow more.
And one platform, would you like to thank Minas for this?
Yes. That's what I always tell my whenever there's an appraisal meeting or any meeting. He's always been very supportive, not only for rates and all that, but otherwise also when we are not performing, not achieving. Don't worry. There also he understands. Although he gets pressure from his subordinates, but still he's like, okay, fine. He understands that there are times when you have business, but he always motivates ki, okay, meet clients, meet agencies, some or the other day there would be business. You work hard now and you will get the results in future. So he's, I should thank him, and I do thank him.
We hear for all the franchisee managers, right? All the franchisees. Achha, Anil Reddy, I was talking about Anil Reddy. Anil Reddy was has joined this organization on franchisee roles as sales associate, and now he's heading franchisee. Same is the case with Jayesh. So if you guys can just stand up. You want to say?
I guess I'll tell you one thing. 2007 franchising franchise has been launched in Delhi and Hyderabad. So then Anil Gupta was heading franchisee, here Kulbhushan Jalkota was heading franchisee. So my boss, when I talk about Kulbhushan Jalkota, he was having a proper idea about Hyderabad market and also about franchising, how to tackle franchisee guys. When you talk about these two guys, you didn't have any idea at the proper time. I've been joined Radio City as a campus placement from my college in 2009. So Kulbhushan was the guy who was taken with. And there's a boss called Setaram Prabhu who was heading Bangalore. So he gave me the life actually, in fact, to be frank. So these two guys took me to Peru and they clearly told me, yeah, you have everything.